In recent years, it's been hard to escape large language models, as they've been all over the global news. One of the most famous models in this realm is OpenAI's ChatGPT, which has dominated the news with its ability to write poetry, essays, social media content, code, and so much more. GPT and similar models have even been employed to translate languages in real time during international events and aid in disaster relief efforts by quickly translating vital information into multiple languages. Large language models have also found their way into the world of healthcare, aiding in medical research and diagnosis. Whether you're an experienced NLP developer or not, it's been hard not to have heard of LLMs. But what exactly are they, and why are they causing such a stir? To put it very simply, imagine you give a computer access to the entire internet and tell it to learn everything it reads, as well as using this as a method to learn the structure and grammar of language. This isn't exactly how an LLM works, we'll come on to that later, but the outcome is the same. You're left with a machine that has great general knowledge. And not only that, but the machine can actually talk to you about what it knows. You can ask it questions or give it a language-based task, and the machine will understand your question and be able to give you an appropriate response. Large language models represent a transformative breakthrough in the field of artificial intelligence and natural language processing. These models are a testament to the remarkable progress made in machine learning, enabling computers to understand and generate human language at an unprecedented scale and complexity. At the heart of these large language models lies deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mimics the human brain's neural networks. However, what really led to the massive innovations we see today is a type of model architecture known as a transformer. This is a novel way a machine can learn the complexities of language, and transformers are the reason the models we see today have such amazing results. There are three main features to a large language model which makes them unique. The first aspect, as you might have guessed by the name, is that large language models are, well, large. Compared to other models we've seen before, these models are massive in size. Their size is one of the aspects that allows for the amazing results we've seen from large language models. The second aspect of LLMs is their general purpose, and the third is that they're able to be pre-trained and fine-tuned. Now, let's move on to our next lessons where we go over each of these features in more detail.